2, you're going to play the videos. And step 3, you're going to make money unlimitedly. It's as simple as those 3 steps. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make over $2 per video that you're able to watch, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How are we going to do it? We're about to find out. So make sure that you hover your mouse on. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Right now, I'm going to show you the list of people from literally all over the world who have already cashed out their earnings from this website. So you're probably asking, how much can you really earn by watching videos? Well, for one video, you're gonna make $1.50, which means if you watched 10 videos, you're gonna earn up to $15. And if you watch 20 videos, then you can earn up to $30. And if you watch 50 videos, you're gonna earn up to $75. And all you need is your mobile phone or your computer or a laptop or whatever that you already have. The method is super easy. It's 100% free. You're not gonna need to invest any money at all. It's available worldwide, so wherever you are around the world, you can also do this. So let's jump right into it. So this is the website that we're going to be using today, and on top you're going to see that they've paid out over $2.5 million to over 1 million members already. Now we're going to proceed with the sign up process. You're going to go ahead and click on this register button at the top right hand corner, and then that is going to take you to this page right here where you're going to be able to register as a member for completely free. All you have to do is provide them with your full name, your date of birth, your username, creating a password, and then your email address, and then you're just going to confirm your email address and your password right here. And after that, you're going to be able to enter your payment details where you can choose to receive your earnings, which is either Payeer, Bitcoin, Neteller, Skrill, RTM, Litecoin, Dash, and Faucet Pay. Now with that said, I want you guys to take note of all of that, okay? So after you choose your preferred payment method, you can now continue with the image verification right here, which is basically the CAPTCHA. So you just have to type in the letters and the numbers that you can see right here. And finally, you're going to agree to the terms of service and just click on register. And before I forget, this website is actually called ScarletClicks.info, and once you log into this account, this is how it's going to look like inside. You're going to see a photo with a lot of small boxes. So if you hover your mouse to the lower right side of this photo, which is the last box of this photo, you're going to see the position. So there are like 20 by 28 boxes. That means there are 560 boxes in this photo, and one box is equivalent to one video. So all you have to do is click on each of these boxes and you're going to earn some money. Now, before anything else, I want you guys to check out our links down below. Click on those links in the description box to be able to make even more money online. These links are exclusively for our subscribers, so if you guys have subscribed and are subscribed, you can click on these links and earn even more money. Now, click on those links, okay? And I want you guys to also comment down below what country you reside in and what payment method you guys prefer so that I can use it for my future videos. And I always appreciate it when you guys comment down below because it helps me think of new ideas and concepts. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. So you're going to choose one of the boxes right here, and that's going to take you to a brand new page where you're just going to have to stay on for at least 30 seconds to be able to get paid. For example, if I click on this box right here, it's going to take me to this page, and again, I just have to stay on this page for 30 seconds, and that's it. You don't have to do anything at all. Stay on the page and wait, and then you're not even going to have to click on anything. You don't even have to sign up. So the opportunities are endless because there are over 560 boxes, and you can choose any box that you'd like and choose on as many as you possibly can. You're just gonna keep earning and earning money over and over again. Now, as a little bit of a rundown, okay, what you're gonna do is click on any box that you want, stay for 30 seconds, then you're gonna earn money. It's that easy. Now you're probably asking, where does the watching video part go? Well, most of the time, if you click on one of the boxes, a video ad is gonna show up, and that's good news because video ads will make you earn double. So all you have to do is stay on that page till the video ends, and then you're gonna earn even more than the regular earning. And another thing is that sometimes on these pages there are banner ads that look like this one. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on these banner ads, because every time you're gonna click on these, you're gonna earn extra. So what I mean is just keep on clicking ads whenever you find any, because that's what's gonna make you the most money. It's as simple as that. So let's say we click on this banner ad right here. That's going to take me to this page where all I literally have to do is nothing. As I've mentioned, you don't need to do anything at all. Before we finish up, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it really helps the channel. We have new videos for you every day, so you definitely won't regret it. Also, hit the notification bell because why not, right? Let's wrap this up then. And now that you're still here, I am going to be sharing with you guys a bonus tip that's going to help you earn even more. And that is by referring people. So all you have to do is just invite your friends or a group of friends or your entire family on this website, and even just random people. And then you're going to receive extra money by doing that. As you can see on the left side, there are direct referrals, rented referrals, rent referrals, and buy referrals. However, all you need is to focus on direct referrals only. So people have been earning actually a decent amount of money from this website, and they did that just by referring and watching videos. And that is pretty much it. But before we wrap things up, let's go through a little recap. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna open up scarletclicks.info, and then once you are here, you can actually start choosing whatever of the boxes that you want to choose. Obviously, you have to create an account because you cannot access Scarlet if you don't have an account of your own. So you're going to create your account. Once you're on your account, you can finally start watching video ads, videos, banner ads, whatsoever. You're going to click on those, and then that's going to make you some money. You have over 500 and even more boxes depending on what's given to you. And literally, you can click on as many as you want, and you can earn as much as 500 boxes equivalent. So you guys are definitely not going to regret it. And that is pretty much it. Also, one last thing, again, don't forget to click the links on our description box down below. It's exclusively for the subscribers, but even if you're not a subscriber, you can also check it out, and then you're going to learn how to make even more money online, which is going to make you want to subscribe for sure. So make sure you click on those boxes down below. I promise you guys are not going to regret it. Make sure that you do that, and I will see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.